Okay, so I'm using this LMD Master Palette by BPerfect, and I'm taking that orange shade right there, well, the yellowish shade, and we're gonna go, this is gonna be our transition color. I did set my my base, as well as I did my my foundation and stuff prior. So yeah, you're just gonna get like a fluffy brush, and you're just gonna put that as your transition color, so right above the crease. It can kind of fall in the crease, but you just really want to focus that like right under the brow bone, above the crease. So yeah, and then we're going to take a more orange color, and we're gonna buff that in a crease. Now you want to just continue to just buff up. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, just buff that in the crease, and then after you buff that in the crease to as much pigmentation as you want, I couldn't even find words for it. Then you're going to just take your the first brush and just make sure to diffuse the edges. Yeah, this Sleigh is like really simple. I got a lot of requests from you guys saying, why do you have to be so extra all the time? So now I'm not trying to be extra. So yeah, now I'm just taking that that darker shade, that darker like brownish shade, and we're gonna put that directly in the crease to deepen it. And then after that, you're just gonna buff out, you know, just blend everything. This is all about just blending. And then we're gonna take the star of the show, which is this artist Couture Glitz pigment, and it's bomb.com. Like, y'all about to see it in action. It's so pretty. So yeah, we're gonna just take that, and it's good if you use this with your hand, with your finger. I did try to use it with a brush, and it wasn't like the best. So please listen to Mac Daddy, aka Angel, and use your fingers, okay? So then y'all about to see Autumn, because you know she always gotta be extra. She did her own makeup. She was trying to look like Elsa from Frozen. So yeah, y'all see her in the background while I'm still trying to do my makeup. So yeah. And then I'm using my lashes. These are in the style Vibe. They're 25mm lashes. So if you like it big, these is for you, okay? So yeah, you could also use my code VMarie at checkout for some points off. But yeah, these are bomb. They are really bomb. I'm struggling in this video because I did not have the lash glue. Like, I ran out of lash glue, y'all. Like, oh my goodness. So I had to kind of like scrape as much lash glue out as possible, and then it wasn't really trying to stick. So I'm like, oh my gosh, like this is gonna be terrible. But I got it together. I got them to stick on for the video. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I put a liner on, a wing liner, and some liner on my lower lash line, and then I just used the same colors that we did on top on the bottom, and that's pretty much it for this look. I'm just gonna do my lips with the Kiko Milano 321 pencil, creamy color pencil. Y'all just know what I be using. And then I'm gonna use that Tarte birthday suit liquid lipstick, and then I'm gonna pop some gloss on again. So yeah, it's basically like the same lip from the last look. I don't think I'm ever gonna change it because it looks so bomb. But yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you guys like it. I did switch my head wrap for my pictures. But yeah, let your girlfriends know to, you know, learn how to do a little ones and twos for the holidays. And I see you guys later. Talk to you later. Okay? Bye.